Hey creators, in this video I'm going to show you how you can configure order via WhatsApp feature on your WooCommerce store. Look at this demo website. It has a floating WhatsApp button and further we have buy via WhatsApp buttons everywhere throughout the website. Like if we go on the single product page, we have this button add to cart alongside order via WhatsApp, and the order can be completed using the checkout journey, and all the details will be sent to the user's WhatsApp. I mean, once once the user decides to buy a particular product, user can send all the details to his WhatsApp, either being used on the mobile device or even on desktop, and the rest of journey of checkout can be completed via WhatsApp. So this is a very intuitive and helpful feature, since WhatsApp being a strongest communication tool nowadays. So we are taking our WooCommerce products orders via WhatsApp. Now, how it is going to be configured and how you can do it easily, I'm going to show you. Let us go to the back end of this installation and the plugin. I must show you which plugin is being used for this purpose, and this plugin is going to be absolutely free. You don't need to buy any premium features for all the basic things that I'm showing you in the video. The plugin is called Chat to Order or Buy via WhatsApp, and I'll certainly add the link in the video description. And here is the configuration screen. First of all, we have welcome screen where we can understand what we can do with the plugin, and there are multiple settings, and the complete system is fully customizable. You can change anything, you can configure as you want for your WooCommerce website, and this is really going to enhance the user experience, and definitely it will increase the number of orders as well. So the welcome screen tells us make it easy for customers to reach you and all the details. And I must say, watch this video available on the welcome page. It will tell you all the configuration steps. However, I am showing you all the screens in this video itself, but it is better to watch the video coming from the plugin developer also. First thing that you have to do once you install the plugin is to configure a WhatsApp number. So this is very simple. You can add a WhatsApp number, and I must tell you, you can add multiple WhatsApp number. Like if you are using multiple WhatsApp for your store, and even you are using a personal WhatsApp and you want to configure both of WhatsApp number as an admin, you can do so. So you can add number simply by putting the details. I mean, simply by adding a number, and you can add a title, place number with the country code, and just hit on publish. The number will be configured. There is no technical configuration. You just need to put the number here. It is more than easy. It is the first step, and you have to necessarily complete this step before you go for any other global setting. The next screen is for basic settings, and this is most important setting for the feature. So the first thing that we have to confirm that we have added a WhatsApp number. So once you add a number, you can check this if you have added at least one WhatsApp number. As I said, you can add multiple WhatsApp number. On the next setting, you can set the WhatsApp base URL. So you can use the force wa.me, which is the default WhatsApp link, and when it is enabled, all WhatsApp link will use wa.me regardless of the mobile or desktop base of URL setting. And it is totally up to you how you want to configure, and it is totally customizable. Like you can set the base URL for mobile. By default, it is set to API, which is recommended, and Next, you can set the base URL for desktop. So you can set the URLs for mobile and desktop device depending upon the choice that you want. So like protocol, you can use the base URL you can use. And next setting is for single product page. If you want to display the button, WhatsApp button on the single product page, just check this and this will display WhatsApp button on the single product page. The number is here and the button link type can be selected like inline on click event or the link tag. Button position you can decide, force full width if you want to show, and the custom message you can configure. The text on button if you want to show like order via WhatsApp as I am using. So you can place here whatever the text you want to show, it can be placed here. So regular and sell prices, this will include all the details when the order details are being sent on the WhatsApp. So this is going to be very helpful when you wish to share all the details on the WhatsApp before the users completes the checkout. And there is an option to open on new tab. Further, we have exclusion, and if you want to exclude the price, you can check this button and remove the product URL. You can do this. So, but it is recommended to keep the URL of product so that just in case user want to open the product details on the web or browser, it can be done with a single click available on the WhatsApp order details. At next, we have the text translation, how you want to nomenclature of text is like quantity, price, URL, all the text you can change that will be sent on the WhatsApp. Further, we have the product plugin data management, just in case if you are not using the plugin and removing the plugin. So this setting will help you to remove all the data when you are uninstalling the plugin. So be careful when you have checked this. When you will deactivate and delete the plugin, all the data related to this plugin will also be removed. On the next setting, we have SOAP settings, where we can perform most of the settings related to SOAP loop page. So how the WhatsApp button on the SOAP page will work will be decided on this page, like display button on the SOAP page, WhatsApp number. So you can select different number on different activities, on different pages. So if you have added more than one number, you can keep one number at SOAP page and another number on the cart or checkout page. So this is very helpful, and this is really very good feature that you can use for handling the various tasks on your WooCommerce store. Okay. Further, we have option to hide add to cart button if you want to be work on only on WhatsApp. So you can hide the actual add to cart button and only WhatsApp button will be displayed. Further, you have option to change the text, custom message, and you can exclude the price and product URL can be removed and all. Next is the cart setting, where we can set how WhatsApp button is acting on the cart page. Further, we have option to display button on the cart page, or even we cannot display WhatsApp number. You can select hide proceed to checkout button option is here in case if you want to hide this. Text on button, custom message, remove product URL, and all the basic settings are also here. Same is for checkout page, and again we have all the customization options. If you want to override the default appearance and add to WhatsApp button, add a WhatsApp button, you can do this, and all the rest of settings are almost same. Like further, we have here on the checkout button some additional settings like custom title you can use, thanks you are awesome. The custom subtitle you can use, custom details labels. One good feature that you can add here is the custom details, like total product label, how many products are there, and you can even include the coupon discount. So this will include a coupon code and its associated deduction amount along with a label if it is enabled. So if you are using a discounted coupon on your store, it will be sent, all the details will be sent with the WhatsApp order details as well, and this will definitely help to convert more orders, because when you are showing the order and its related discount on the even on WhatsApp, so the user is going to buy the product most likely. Okay, so coupon label you can decide, the include order summary link, you can include order summary label or include payment link label. So if you want to include the payment link message, it can be included. And further we have the order link or view order label, include order number and order number label. So it is totally configurable how you want to show what you want to show. And on the next tab we have floating option. I mean, as I shown you in the front end, this is a floating button on the WhatsApp. I mean, on every page you can use this control to show a floating button. All the details can be filled and you can use shipping information and the basic information as well as the coupon level and all. So the floating button is well configurable as well. So you can write a custom message with the floating button, like welcome message or so source URL. When you are checking this, and this will help you to identify the URL when from which the button had been clicked, because the number is global. I mean, the button is global. When user clicks, it is important to identify the source URL. So you can check this option, and even you can set the source page URL label from which it is coming. So this is very important feature that should not be ignored when you are configuring. You can add the display conditions like floating button position, right? You can set the button positions and display tooltip and the button tooltip. The position is completely configurable, like you can set the button margins, the padding and the icon margin and all. So you can decide where actually the button is going to be appear on your website. Next, we have the display setting, where you can set the background colors. I mean the button colors, the background colors of button, the background hover color, the text color and the text hover color. Further we have settings like button box shadow color and the single product page or different pages, either you can hide or show as you need to do with the button, shop loop page, the cart page, so and even the thank you message. So the display is total in our control. GDPR compliances, short code and add-ons are the next settings. So if you wish to enable the GDPR notice, you can simply enable this, and the short code is for using the button on a particular position on the page or in a post. Like you can either use the for product, like current product, you can use the short code, the text on button, the custom message, port full width, and also settings are available. And this is the short code. You can simply copy and place wherever you want to show the buy via WhatsApp option. I feel this free plugin is really amazing. And which is this plugin? Plugin is called OneClick Chat to Order, and this is available absolutely free at WordPress repository. You can directly install the plugin through WordPress plugin screen, or you can download it here and install plugin on your WooCommerce store. And it is very important, it works only with WooCommerce, so don't try to use this plugin on a website where WooCommerce is not enabled. So this is only for WooCommerce because it is a feature for adding WhatsApp order status. I mean the WhatsApp order feature on the WooCommerce store. And I repeat, you must see this video, must watch this video available on the plugin detail page, and you can download it from here. There are already 40,000 plus active installation, and it is being regularly updated. So you can trust this plugin, and the developers are really working hard to add multiple features on this plugin. Further, you can go for the premium add-ons, like if you are using the WC uh, front managers, and the token connector are here, vendors and the variation scrubbers are also here. It is totally free when we are willing to use all the features that I shown you, and for premium things you need to buy add-ons. I feel this video remained helpful in understanding how you can configure this very useful feature on your WooCommerce store. And in the next video, I'm coming with more resources for your successful WordPress website. Keep watching, keep building, and here is how it looks on the WhatsApp. So this is just a screen on the YouTube video, and this is how the order looks like on the user's WhatsApp interface. Thank you.